welcome Ms. Rhea Anicotchatan.
Question ba ito? Magbabanding tayo. Sound check? Pwede mas masana ng konti.
Alright. DJ, do your honor.
Your
Your honor.
Your Honor. Alright. Hello. Hi. Kumain na po kayo?
Yes.
Alright. We are fortunate that Beauty Derm is still around after 60 years and continues to develop not only as a business but also a cultural force. We are grateful. Ay, dami nyo 70. I love you all so much. Kung ilalagay lahat mga pangalan ng mga anak ko, thank you for attending this event. Today, we express our gratitude to Sunshine Garcia and our Vice Governor, Alex Castro, one of our original endorsers, our OGs, since 2013. They have grown to be significant figures in Beauty Derm success. So we have developed fragrances for them that illustrate how business is always personal. It is personal because Beauty Derm believes in a culture in which everyone is treated as if they were members of a real family, with no one left out. This sense represents that brand growth isn't always about money. It's about how we make others feel, see, and smell. Today also marks the debut of Alex and Sunshine's first ever billboard in NLEX. Pag uwi nyo, ay makikita nyo na yan ang regalo ko sa kanila for being my loyal babies. Sa totoo lang, konsehal ka ata. Huy, bakit ako na? Ano to? Paalaala? Konsehal pa lang siya noon, baby ko na siya. Imagine mo, vice governor na siya. Hindi pa rin niya ako iniiwan. Siya ang nagpapatunay na hindi ang kasikatan, ang pera ang makakasira sa pagkakaibigan. Ay. And here at Beauty Derm, we value personal relationships and genuine connections. And we will maintain that culture. We believe that Sunshine and Alex deserve their own perfumes under our brand. And aside from the fact that they smell good, they remind us that the true scent of success is a friendship built on love and sincerity. Thank you again for joining us today. Let's enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Rhea Anicotchatan. Palakpakan naman natin, mahina ang palakpakan. Diba? Saan ka naman nakakita ng event kung saan hindi basta lang magpapakilala ng produkto, bagkos ang pagpapahalaga sa relasyon ng pagkakaibigan, sa relasyon ng pagiging isang kaibigan turned into family. Ate GM, you're getting so emotional. Naiiyak ka, Ate GM. Bakit ka naluluha, Ate GM? Oo. Ano ka lang, emotional ka lang talaga. Kaya naman sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, we'd like to share something we've all been waiting for. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga nandito, kindly direct your attention to the screen. Sabay-sabay po nating panoorin ito.